So it's definitely tough to, be excited about the good news when the charts are so bad across the crypto market. But, we're going to talk about both of these today because there are some good things. Ripple is taking some steps forward. And in fact, there was a big announcement by the SEC yesterday that I think a lot of people missed this excerpt from, which likely means that the appeal by the SEC in the Ripple v. SEC case will in fact be withdrawn in the very short term. So we're going to talk about all this. Again, if you guys are new or haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below. Hit that bell again. It's free to do. It'll keep you updated anytime there's new content live here on the channel. Now, when we're looking at XRP in general, price, hasn't been good. Along with the rest of the market, it sucks. We've fallen through our 100-day moving average. We did, in fact, come down and actually touch, and we're sitting on right now is our 20-week moving average. Again, that bull market support like we were talking about. We did get a wick all the way down to our 5-0 line on our fib retracement. So understand that right now, if we don't hold that, there is the potential for XRP to actually fall all the way down to $1.61. Now, I'm not that bearish right now, and there's a big reason why. First of all, we've been dealing with all this drop across the market because of institutional money, because of BTC price cratering, because of short-term capitulation. Unfortunately, it's all coming together to create this very crappy picture. And what we're seeing is people just reacting to basically non-news. All right, the negative sentiment surrounding tariffs just continues to drop the market. Retail continues to capitulate. But here's the thing. There's been so much good news that has in fact been coming out. Now I'll talk about this more a little bit further on in an ADA video, but what I want to just kind of quickly mention is we may actually be seeing an altcoin double tap here, basically a double bottom forming where we start to build up momentum and create this surge back to the upside and try to test this $1.16 trillion in terms of the global market cap of altcoins, all assets outside of BTC and Ethereum. And again, this is the one that really puts us on a quick slingshot towards 7 trillion by the end of this market cycle. Not saying that this is going to happen at all or guaranteed or anything like that, but just understand that that is what adoption is going to bring. When we do start getting into mass adoption, it is a very, very quick path towards those levels. Now, what I will say is we had some good news surrounding Ripple and XRP yesterday. So BDAX actually signed strategic partnership with Ripple to expand institutional level custody. To expand institutional level custody and the digital asset ecosystem in South Korea. So BDAX will actually leverage the Ripple custody, or will leverage Ripple custody to provide custody infrastructure services for XRP, RLUSD, and other assets. They'll support XRP ledger developers and ecosystem growth and build infrastructure and collaborate to support RLUSD stablecoin. So this is some of the first that we're really hearing come out surrounding RLUSD in a much bigger way. And I think we're going to hear more about this as time goes on. This is going to help obviously bring RLUSD further off the ground, climbing further away from that $50 million market cap or so. I guess I haven't really checked it recently, but this is where, again, RLUSD can become a major stable in the space, and it really can help bring major liquidity to the Ripple ecosystem, to XRP Ledger. This is a very, very big deal. Now, the biggest piece of news that I think people missed yesterday was actually from the SEC meme coin announcement. And what's interesting about this is if you go into this discussion surrounding meme coins by the SEC, what they specifically said was some things that were basically debunking the Howey test when it applies to digital assets. And the biggest thing they said is that the value of the asset itself is derived from basically the speculative market, the trading of the asset on exchanges. And this is something that isn't just applied to meme coins. This can be applied to the entirety of the industry as a whole, because where is the value of XRP derived from? It's not derived from, private markets or revenue or anything like that. It's derived from the speculative traders in the crypto market. So here's the thing. XRP is not a security. We know this. We know the SEC has backed down on this before. Then they came back around trying to allege this again. But what this means is that we're probably going to see a withdrawal from this Ripple v. SEC case appeal a lot sooner than people think. We talked about it potentially being, weeks to months. There's a lot they still have to sort out. But the pace at which they are backing down is something that needs to be noted. Basically, they are taking this sit back and watch approach, and they're approaching assets more as collectibles rather than securities. And that's a pretty big change. And I think that when people actually realize this is the case, we might start to see a bit more confidence in the market. We still have to get out of these loud times where everybody's just paying attention to the tariff news, the institutional money, blah, 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 all these things, right, that are causing, quote unquote, the drops in the market. Understand that when we get through this big ball of crap, things will get better. We will see a hard bounce. The excitement that we saw from November will again ensue. And what that means is that there's still this huge embrace of US-based crypto. There's still the potential of no capital gains tax on US-based crypto. There's still the potential for Ripple XRP adoption within the US government. These are all things that can really help surge us to this new era of crypto. So I appreciate you guys as always. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let me know your thoughts below, but have a great day. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Take care.